Okay, here we are starting the lesson for today, Monday, April 27th. Um, and you're going to be studying two more things about World War II. As you see there, D-Day, June 6, 1944, and VE Day, May 8th, 1945. So there were other things that happened in between then, lots of important things. But since we got to kind of shorten things, we can't get into everything. But if you want to, you're going through this lesson, you say, you know what, I want more. You can email me, either email address, and I will tell you something you can check out that was called Battle of the Bulge. And it's a really interesting thing, but that's just for extra if you want it. So today's lesson again is those two topics. And you see pictures on the right, and you'll be able to see these better if you go to present when you get your own copy. And it shows US paratroopers at 1 a.m. on June 6th. And then the other US soldiers going in that same day, they started going in on those landing craft, they called them, little boats that would come from the big boats and take the guys up to the beach. You can see the smoke in the background because that was while the fighting was going on. But that was going in, started about 6 in the morning. So the paratroopers went in behind the lines at 1 a.m. And on the right hand side, you see a picture with, they call it a rhetorical question. You don't actually have to write an answer down, just think about it. The picture on VE Day. So you can look at your learning targets. There they are, very important stuff. And then the directions. There's work for you to do on slides 6, 7, and 8. We'll go over that. And you're encouraged to do the extra thing on slide 9, but that's again up to you. And here's your timeline, putting things in perspective. So these happen after the things you've already learned about, June 6, 1944, D-Day, where we had to land to get at the Germans, and then VE Day, Victory in Europe. That's what it stands for. So here's your first thing, and you can do one thing, two things, or both things. You can read, or I think some of these are recorded, you can hear them read to you, or you can watch the video. And the thing you do, no matter which source you pick, read the questions first so you know what you're looking for. Then the second thing here, again, the same thing, choice of watching the video or reading something, hear it read to you. And then you come to the surveys, and you've got to do both of them now. This one's going to be even funner because it's kind of like a little bitty quiz. And then there's your extra thing. So again, any questions you have, email me.